Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have these interesting functional equations. We need to get f of x. But before I solve it, you can pause this video and give it a try. The x here is a member of real number where x is greater than 0. And after knowing this, the first step we are going to take is we consider the solution. Then suppose I replace x with 1 divided by x, but before this, if I consider f of 5f of x equals f of 1 over x plus x as equation 1, then replacing x with 1 over x, this becomes 5f of 1 over x equals f of x plus 1 over x. Let's call this equation 2. So since we need to get f of x, and there are two things here, f of 1 over x and f of x. To get f of x direct, looking at equation 1, suppose I multiply through by 5. Why is it that we are multiplying this by 5? Because this is 5f of 1 over x, which gives a particular output. Then it will be better for us to get the equivalent for 5f of 1 over x from equation 1, then we substitute. So by doing that, we have 5f of x equals f of 1 over x plus 5, and all this multiply by 5. And having this 5 multiplied by 5, that gives us 25 f of x equals 5 multiplied by f of 1 over x. It gives us 5f of 1 over x plus 5 multiplied by, this is x. This gives us 5x. And by replacing 5f of 1 over x with f of x plus 1 over x in equation 2, we are going to get 25 f of x equals, we have f of x plus 1 over x plus 5x. And next step is we balance this thing all by taking f of x here. We have 25 f of x minus f of x equals 1 over x plus 5x divided by 1. And next, 25 multiplied by f of x minus f of x. This gives us 24 f of x, then equals 1 plus x multiplied by 5x. This gives us 5x squared divided by x. And by dividing both sides by 25, we have f of x equals 1 plus 5x squared divided by 24x. So this is what you get for f of x. But how can we check this if the left hand side and the right hand side equals? So since what we get is f of x as 1 plus 5x squared over 24x, where x is greater than 0. So to put a quick check, since the question is 5 f of x, which equals f of 1 over x plus x. And what we do here is, suppose I want to find f of 1 over x from equation 1. So that becomes 1 plus 5 into bracket of 1 over x squared, all divided by 24 into bracket of 1 over x. And the numerator gives us 1 plus 5 divided by x squared divided by 24 over x. So find the LCM at the top. we have 5 plus x squared divided by x squared multiplied by x over 24. And when this reduce this to x, we have this is 1. For f of 1 over x equals 5 plus x squared divided by 24x. This is for only f of 1 over x. Then if I add x to it, we have f of x plus f of 1 over x plus x. So this means we are getting 5 plus, we have 25x squared divided by 24x, and which is the same thing as the first one. If you multiply 5 with f of x, we are going to get the same thing, which is 5 plus 25x squared divided by 24x. So the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, and this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.